All right, good morning, Algebra 1, periods 1, 6, and 7. It's the 2nd of April. Yay, you look so enthusiastic. All right, here we go. All right, May's here. Hopefully, all of you Algebra 1 people, you've got your Chapter 8 mini quiz done and turned in today. I'd like to get rolling on sections 8.4 and 8.5. And I'm going to take a minute here and talk a little bit about 8.4 and the significance of what you're about to get yourself into. Here you go. So, 8.4 introduces us to something called vertex form. This is vertex form. Now, why do we call it vertex form? Okay? It's called vertex form because it hands you the vertex. You can look at it and say, oh, I know what the vertex is. Well, now, how do you do that? Well, here's an actual example. So f of x is equal to 1/2 times x minus 2 quantity squared minus 6. Okay, now watch this. The vertex is at 2 comma negative 6. That's where the vertex is. Now, how in the world did we get that? There's the equation in vertex form. It's got to be in this form. And if it's in this form, boom, there's the vertex. All right, now I'll bet most of you can see how we did this. And a lot of you will clue in the fact looks an awful lot like that absolute value thing, only we have a little 2 here, and of course we have parentheses, we don't have little straight bars. All right, so where did we get the x? The 2. Where did we get the 2 for the x value of the vertex? Well, this is how we did it. We took this piece right here, that piece right there, and we set it equal to 0. We took this piece to find the x value of the vertex, and also this will give you the line of symmetry. We took that and we set it equal to 0. So we went, okay, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and for that to be true, x must be 2. That is the x component of the vertex. It goes right there, all right? Now, the second question we shall ask, how did we get the y value? Okay, how did we get the negative 6? Well, let's go back up here and look. Hey, look at that. Do you see that thing hanging on the end? That is the y component of the vertex, right there. Right there, that's the y component of the vertex. If that was a positive 6, the vertex y component would be positive 6. If it was a negative 9, the vertex y component would be negative 9. So just take it, and there is your vertex. All right, now I'm going to post some more on this section 8.4 today, and it's important that we actually learn how to graph this. If you look at this, the a, right here, the coefficient, it's positive. This will open up. We should be able to square this term out, take the 6 away, distribute the half. We should be able to factor this and find the x-axis intercepts. If you put a 0 in for x, you can find the y-axis intercept. If you have it in vertex form, this parabola is pretty doggone easy to graph. And that's what we're going to work on next. All right. Algebra 1, periods 1, 6, and 7. I hope you have fun with this. More to follow. All right, May's out.